Hello family, glad to have you here once again to the La Vista channel. Today I am sharing with you how I make my simple and delicious okra soup. This soup won't take you too long to make and it is so healthy. It is by far the healthiest version and the most slimiest as well. Just do not miss this opportunity to learn new ways to make your okra soup. This is so delicious. This is so flavor packed as well. Please do not miss this and let's do this together family. I promise you're going to love this. Proteins family, I have some goat meat, some cow skin and some goat intestines, and of course you can use any form of protein that you prefer. All right family, this is what I like in my okra soup. And of course I do have some fish as well. This is my smoked salmon, which I already have a video of how I achieved it, so please check it out. And some unsalted kako as well. And these are my semi-cooked shrimps, which I do love in my okra soup. And for my blendables, the famous ginger, garlic and onions, and some 2 Maggi cubes. For my vegetables, however, I do have some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I just use 2 of them, and 2 habanero pepper, and some mushrooms. And of course the man of the match is okra, fresh okra, which I got from the African market, and some salt to taste. Let's start making this yummy soup. I cannot wait. So family, do check the description box if you mix anything out. And to start with, I just go ahead to put my meat in my pot. These take a little bit longer for it to cook, so I reserve my fish for later. And I just go ahead to add my blended ginger, garlic and onions together with the Maggi cubes as well, and some salt. I put all the salt that I need in my soup here, because as we want our okra to be very slimy, you do not want to add salt later. Allow it to cook for the next 10 minutes. Yes, let me tell you, the flavors that I'm getting in my kitchen is totally awesome. And together I also added my tomatoes and pepper, so I'll just go ahead to take it off and go ahead to blend it. And now my goat meat and the cow skin and everything here is beginning to be very tender, which I completely love, so I go ahead to add my semi-cooked shrimps to it and add my blended pepper and tomatoes. You do not want to overuse your tomatoes here, because the goal is to have a slimy okra soup, okay? Other than that, you're going to lose the sliminess that will, everyone love in the okra soup. So yes, go ahead and allow it to cook or boil for the next 10 minutes and we will be back. Soup to boil for 10 minutes now, so I'm going ahead to add my mushrooms and my fish that I left together so that it all boils and blends well together. This is absolutely so easy and really very good. Please do well to check the smoke, how I achieve my smoked mackerel. Please, I will link it here, so please check it out. That is all. I just go ahead to leave it and go straight to my okra. Secret to a slimy okra stew, okra soup, whatever, is not to use bicarbonate or what we popularly call it as a kiln. What you have to do is to blend it and you will get the most sliminess of all the okra soup you've made. Try this and you never regret it. Just put a little bit of water and make sure you do not blend it to be too smooth as well. I do not want it to be too smooth. I just blend it so I can also feel my okra As you're pouring it in your soup, just be gentle about it because you do not also want to break your fish. And let me tell you, this is the most simple way to make your okra soup. Bicarbonate or a kiln? Where? No, you don't have to use bicarbonate or a kiln to achieve. That is all. You just have to lower your heat and allow it to slowly cook, and you will have the best okra soup ever. And yes, I go ahead to also chop some onions to get some freshness, you know, in my okra soup. That is all, family. You allow it to cook for the next 10 minutes and you will have the best okra soup ever. Yes, the only thing missing is I also sometimes add some spinach, fresh spinach. I just go ahead to cut it, but I did not have that in the house when I was doing this. But it's also very good. If you have it, you can also add it. Look at how beautiful this soup is looking. Family, I highly recommend that you do not overcook your okra because it has a whole lot of nutritional benefit that you might lose if you overcook it. So rich in fiber, in magnesium, in vitamin C, also help control your blood sugar level, and also the most important of it all, it has some anti-cancer properties which helps also prevent this deadly C. I don't want to even mention it again. So please do not overcook your okra when you are using it. This is just beautiful. Look at that. You can also go ahead to add a bit of oil, palm oil, if you want to achieve some color, you know, but I love to have mine plain and beautiful this way. So my okra soup is ready and it's about to go down, family. I am having it with some soft bangkung. Yes, look how simple and so family, this brings us to the end of another beautiful edition. I do hope you'll try this, and if it happens that you're new here, please do well to subscribe and join the happy family for new video every week. Until then, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.